What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day at Whitney Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series with probably my most requested spray out combination yet. You've requested it over black, white, red, blue, and probably some other colors, but today we're doing it over those colors. We're going to do a 4-section fender, and the pearl we're using is a white pearl. Just white, guys. Simple, basic pearl. I've had this requested more than probably any other combination on the channel, and for good reason. It's simple and elegant. So, hey, why not spray it, right? So, for our test today, obviously I got my fender back here, sanded it down with 600 grit, wet sanded it, cleaned it really good with prep all, and we're going to start laying these colors on one by one, and then we'll get to the pearl. So first, let's apply the Rustoleum to the fender. 4 different colors, 4 different sections, and we'll jump over to the pearl. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so with using this white pearl, I'm sure most of you guys wanted to see it more as an effect pearl and not go crazy like I do in most of my videos. So I'm going to try my best to replicate this as if you were going to do it over a whole car and actually make it look the way you guys probably would want to spray it. So I've got my 4 ounces of clear mixed up. I'm going to add my ounce in of this. I think that's actually going to be all I got. And I'm using fast reducer because it's a little on the cooler side today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this clear up first, and then I'm going to split it in half. So what I can do is mix the pearl in half the clear and then go back and seal it with another layer. That way it'll replicate more of what you guys probably are going to want, which is more just a standard effect. And that's going to be the way we're going to do it. So let me mix this up really good real quick. And we'll split it into 2 containers, one with pearl, one without. We'll divide it up. Now, I got a little 5-gram bag of pearl right here, and like I said, this is just straight white pearl, guys. No color. And what we're going to do is spritz a little bit into this cup, probably about 1/2 gram. That should be enough right there. Now, let me mix this up and bring you guys in close so you can see what it looks like. So this is just straight white pearl, guys. As you can see, it does have a little bit of a tint look to it. And that's just the pearl essence doing their natural flop. But let's load up the gun. Let's get to spraying and see what kind of effect we can get on this cool fender. Alright guys, so I got my pearl loaded up, my V4 gun. This is a 1.4 tip. I typically shoot about 26 to 28 PSI. That is wide open trigger. So adjust your regulators accordingly if you want to replicate my settings. But what we're going to do is miss 1, maybe 2 coats on it, just the way you would with tacking a coat on it, to kind of just give it that effect, and then we're going to seal it up with just regular clear coat. So I'm going to get the spraying, and let's see what kind of cool effect we can get out of all this. Well, that's the spray out for today. 4 different colors and 1 white pearl. Now, white pearl is a very interesting pearl. When you put it over any kind of color, it definitely gives it a metallic look, and in certain lights, almost a rainbow effect. But you guys are the ultimate judge. Was this a fail or a success today? 1, you didn't really like it. 5, it was the best thing you've ever seen. And like I said, I know this was a very, very requested video to do, so I hope I did everything justice for you guys. And if I did, and you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, and drop me a comment. Let me know how I did today. It helps me out tremendously, and we're on the road to 5,000 subscribers, which means as soon as we hit 5,000, I'm going to be giving out paint guns, I'm going to be giving out pearls, all kinds of stuff. You have no idea what I'll give out for free. And the only thing you need to do in order to win is be subscribed. So, hey, can't argue with that, right? And in the meantime, if you want to use anything you've seen in my videos today, the pearls, the guns, anything, it's in my Amazon link in the description of this video. You click on As Seen on YouTube and you look through it, and you can buy it off Amazon. It comes with Prime and all the luxuries of buying off Amazon. But once again, I appreciate you guys for watching today. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.